So China. Your product of the month is grapefruit. Grapefruit is uplifting, it's cleansing, it's good for detoxing. If you're having those cravings for sugar, this is going to help a great deal. There's a reason that people use grapefruit, the fruit, when they're trying to diet, because it's going to help with those cravings. So we love us some grapefruit. And your 10% off is Balance, which is our grounding blend. And so Balance is just going to help keep you balanced. And so I'll rub some over my heart when I get up in the morning, just to kind of set that tone for the day. It's really good for meditation, and anytime you're having those anxious feelings, you want to reach for your Balance. And you also have a 200 PV promo, and that is spend 200 PV, you'll get Immortelle, aka Salubel, for free. And so that's, another $100 value. I think in Kwai it's 190 or something. I can't remember exactly. I could just be making that up. But it's definitely a great value over retail. So getting that for free is great. And you can just roll that all over your skin to help with a nice youthful complexion. Under your eyes is really great as an eye serum. It's amazing.